Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can deactivate your account in the Plain Project Management app. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the Plain Project app, for example via Google Chrome, log into your account, and here on the left panel, navigate to Settings. Here inside your settings, navigate to Account Settings in the top left, and here switch to Profile tab on the left hand side. And here inside your profile settings, navigate to the bottom, which is Deactivate Account, expand it, and click into this button. Now, lastly guys, if you'd like to deactivate your account, simply confirm by clicking into this button. However, remember that deactivating your account will not remove or delete your created workspaces, projects and work items, and so on and so forth. These will remain. So if you'd like to delete these as well, you will need to remove your workspaces and work items before deactivating your account. And if you'd like to reactivate your account or restore it in the future, you can do that. However, guys, only through an invitation to a workspace with the same or to the same email, as you can see here, email address. So only click into confirm here if you're really 100% convinced to do that, guys. I'm not going to do that, so let me click into cancel here. And that's how you deactivate your Plain account in 2025. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.